Sheikh Brother Ali is asking that they lost their father, and as a family they would love to distribute the wealth according to the Sharia, but they have some family members who are entitled to get a portion, but they do not want to hear anything about distributing the wealth according to the Sharia. Now he's asking, can we distribute it in any way, anyhow? We see, because we have some family members who could cause trouble to us.
Just one minute, because it was adding that they agreed that let's do it the other way.
What is meant by the other way?
They're not in Sharia.
Yeah.
So how?
They agreed that let us be proportional.
Now, I'll explain this and maybe you'll fall asleep. But before sunset, you can make dua. See, when a father dies, the wife, which is his wife, and the mother of the children, and the children are entitled to the division of his wealth. You have two scenarios. Either the mother says, no, I don't want you to sell the house. I don't want you to sell any of the properties. I want everything to stay as it is. And the children are crying, Mama, this is what Allah has distributed in the Quran. Nobody can stand against it. This is our God-given right. She said, no, I will curse you. I will do this. I will do that. This mother of yours is transgressing. She does not fear Allah. She does not abide by the Sharia law. We disregard what she says. If we have to, we take her to court. And this is totally halal because she is a wrongdoer standing against Allah's command. Now, scenario 2. Mom says, I'm fine with it. I have no problem. The mother gets the wife gets 1/8. The rest, 7/8, is distributed upon the boys and the girls. The boys get twice the girls. Here, one of the boys say, no, I don't want the house to be sold. Why? Because the prices will go up 5 years from now. Okay, but we want to sell. We don't care about the prices. We want our money now. He says, no, I'm the eldest. You have to obey me. What to do? Again, we go to the Muslim court. The Muslim judge is very easy because Islam is very easy. Looks at him in the eyes and says, you want to sell? The man says, no. The judge says, all the others want to sell. So you have a choice. Either to agree to sell with them and we give you your share, or you buy their shares. I don't have money. I can't buy their shares. Then we force you to sell. There's no third alternative. The third scenario is when one of the children says, I don't think it's fair. Well, I don't say it's not fair, but I don't want twice my sister's share. I'm willing to give my share so that we're all equal. So instead of getting 20%, I'm happy to get 10%. And the rest will go to my sister. So me and my sisters are getting equal share. Is this haram? No, but it's going against the Quran. It's not haram that the man is not saying it's not fair. He says, I'm giving it as a gift so that we're all equal in that. That's totally fine. I don't know which scenario he was talking about, but I hope this covers it all.